So Unicycle, Rubik's Cube, and Sermon on the Mount. So I'm really proud of this guy.
Get ready, get set, go! Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they will see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called sons of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted for righteousness, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are you when people insult you, persecute you, and say all sorts of false evil of you because of me. Rejoice and be glad, for great is your reward in heaven. For in the same way they persecuted the prophets who were before you. You are the salt of the earth, a city on a hill.
You are the salt of the world.
You are the salt of the world. A city on a hill cannot be hidden.
No, salt.
Oh yeah, you are the salt of the earth. If salt loses saltiness, how can it be made salt again? Then there's no longer use except to be thrown out and trampled by men. You are the light of the world. A city on a hill cannot be hidden. A city on a hill cannot be hidden. Let your light. Neither do people put a light and a lamp and put it on a bowl, under a bowl. Instead, they light on a stand that it may give light to everyone
In the house.
in the house. In the same way, let your good deeds shine, that people may see your good deeds and praise your Father in heaven.
Oh, look at that. Let me see.
There's still more scripture, but I fell.
Oh man, that's good. Man, you did well, Wesley. He made history today. And you have to remember this day, okay, Wesley?
What?
Dad is very proud of you.
Thanks.
Very, very proud of you.